let's take a tour of Harbour Isle West. Harbour Isle West is located on Hutchinson Island. The actual mailing address of the property is Fort Pierce, Florida. Hang in there with me because I have some wonderful aerial tour for you over top of the community, as well as I'll be sharing a ride through the community with you. So in just a moment, I'm going to show you what it's like to live in Harbour Isle West. So as we go on this tour, I'll be pointing out several of these items to you so that you get the opportunity to see Harbour Isle West. Hi, this is Tamela Staubs, the Connect HomeOwners, your local neighborhood expert, and I'm always making videos for people just like you to really learn about what it's like to live, work, and play on the Treasure Coast of Florida. I get calls all the time from people who are looking to relocate to the Treasure Coast of Florida, and I absolutely love it. So if you or someone you know is looking to relocate to the Treasure Coast of Florida, please send a message, give us a call, or drop a comment below. Harbour Isle West condos and the buildings themselves consist of 24 units. We are 4 units high, first floor, second floor, third floor, and the fourth floor is considered penthouse level. Each unit consists of just shy of 2,000 square feet. Being that there's 24 units in each building, that means we have 3 on each side of the elevator. 3 going 1, 2, 3, elevator in the center of the building, and then 1, 2, 3 on the other side, which you will be able to see from many of the videos that I'm sharing with you as we move along through this beautiful community. We have a beautiful resort type pool with spa, an exercise room or gym. So if you enjoy working out, we have this great facility here as well that you can work out in. I'll take you for a little bit of a tour so that you can make your way around. We have the stationary Nautilus equipment, as well as we have the free weights, and then we have the elliptical machines that I'll show you. We also have some treadmills. So let's go on a little tour so that you can see what this facility looks like. There's an exercise room, exercise facility. And as you can see, there's quite a bit of equipment here. Stationary equipment by Nautilus, as well as free weights, a few benches that are adjustable. Hi! And then we also have the elliptical machines over here. As you can see, I just did 10 minutes on that machine. And then we have the stationary bikes. Come on around this way. And then you'll see that we have some treadmills. And over there, if you decide that you want to do the row machine. So we'll take you back around again and show you all of the equipment. It's always in really great shape every time that I've ever been here. And well maintained. And then we have a beautiful community room that also has a pool table. We have outdoor grills that you can use throughout the entire community. This is a pet-friendly community, so we do have a dog run located near the car wash in the community. I'm going to take you past this beautiful tree, and we're going to make our way right over to where you can wash your car. Yes, we also have a car wash in the community. So a lot of the other video I've thrown in there. This, I wanted to let you know you have the ability to wash the car on premises. If you know anything about me, you know that rainbows are a significant part of my life, and I love to share them with you. So there you have it. I hope this has helped you gain some insight into what it's like to live, work, and play on the Treasure Coast of Florida. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions about the Treasure Coast of Florida or any ideas for a future video, please make sure to leave a comment in the comment section below. I get feedback, calls, and suggestions all the time from people just like you who are interested in relocating to the Treasure Coast of Florida, and I love helping you out. So if you or anyone you know is interested in relocating to the Treasure Coast of Florida, then please reach out. Give us a call, send us a message, or send a carrier pigeon, whatever you need to do to reach out to us. Believe me, we've got your back on the Treasure Coast of Florida.